Welcome to Exchange Administration. Let's go back to our Exchange Admin Center. The next option we have resources. Resources mailboxes are the specific type of mailboxes that you can use to represent meeting rooms or shared equipment. And you can also include them as the resources in meeting request. And the Active Directory user account that is associated with the resources mailbox is disabled in the Active Directory. And you can create two types of resource mailbox, that is room mailbox and the equipment mailbox. Room mailbox are the resource mailboxes that you can assign to meeting locations such as conference room, auditoriums and training rooms. And the equipment mailboxes are the resource mailbox that you can assign to resources that are not location specific, such as portable computer, projector, microphones or company cars. So let's try to create a room mailbox first, and I will give the name as a conference room and the same alias, and inside which organization you want to put this conference room. I have created an organization unit by the name of Techi Resources. So I will click on this organizational unit and will click on OK. And the location, you have to define the location. It can be a different city or it can be a floor. So let me type 4th floor, and you can type the phone number, and the capacity is 40. If you go to the more option, in which mailbox database you want to put it. If you do not select it, you can just click on save. By default it will choose the database. If you want to put that in a specific database, you can select the browse, or I will select it in a DB01 and click on OK. Right now there is a no policy selected for this room mailbox, so I will click on save. Now the conference room has been created. If I go to the properties of this conference room, if you see the general option and click on more option, it is located in the techijack_resources. The mailbox database is DB01. If you want to hide it from the address list, you can check this box. You want to associate any department for this, you can type it here. Let's type the company as a Techijack. And if we go to the booking delegates, booking request, that means accept or decline booking request automatically. If you select this option, the booking will be accepted or declined automatically. If you want someone to delegate who can accept or decline the booking, you can select this option. Let's try this one, that accept or decline booking request automatically. Let me click on save. Let's go to the mailbox of helpdesk 1, and I will create a new calendar event. And let's type the meeting for product update. And location here, we have to add room here. Room is available and it's free, conference room. And the day is Friday and the time is 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Let me select the attendees, James, Harry. We have added the two attendees, that is James and Harry. Let's click on send. It was on an automatic accept or decline. The conference room has accepted this event. Your request was accepted. Let's go to the Harry. I'm logging into a Harry mailbox, and you can see helpdesk has sent the meeting request. He can accept, decline or tentative, or you can propose a new time as well. Let's accept the meeting, and I will say send the response now. Let's go back to the helpdesk. You can see that Harry has accepted this event. Again, if we go to the properties of conference room, this time we will delegate it. So let's select the delegation, that who can accept or decline the booking. I will say add John. John will allow or decline the meeting request. Let's click on OK and click on save. Let's go to the Jack mailbox. So now we are inside the Jack mailbox. So if I click on new calendar event and I say new meeting request, I will add a room. There aren't any room available at this time because already there is a meeting scheduled for 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. So we will have to select the different time. Let's try the different time, that is 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. Now I will try to add the room, and you can see the conference room is free. So I will select the room and I will add the attendees, Kathy, and I will click on send. So let's go to the John mailbox first. This is the John mailbox. You can see the new meeting request from the Jack. If you read this in policy resource request was forwarded to you for your approval. Accept, send the response now. Now the meeting request has been accepted by the John. So let's go to the Kathy mailbox. So we are now inside the Kathy mailbox. Meeting request was received by the Kathy. If she want to accept it, she can accept it and send the response now. Jack will receive a response. The meeting has been accepted by the Kathy. So this is how you can configure your meeting request. Let's go back to our conference room, and if I go to the properties of conference room again, so we have seen the booking delegates and the booking option. Specify when this room can be scheduled. Allow repeating meetings. I say no, no to allow repeating meetings, or you can select it according to your choice. I say allow repeating meetings and allow scheduling only during work hours. Yes, I want this. Always decline if the end date is beyond the limit. So let's check all these boxes. Maximum booking lead time. Before how many days this booking can be done? There is a by default 180 days. I say only you can book the room before 20 days. And maximum duration for hour. It's a 24 hour. That means a complete day. I say no, only for 4 hours. And I will click on save. So now the maximum booking lead time will be before 20 days for maximum 4 hours. And if we go to the contact information, here you have the location. You can edit the city, state or zip. The same way the email address. If you want to add a new SMTP address to this conference room, you can add that. We have already seen that. And the same way the mail tip and the mailbox delegation. So let me click on save. Let's go to the another resource mailbox, that is our equipment mailbox. If I click on equipment mailbox, I will type the name of the equipment like projector and the same alias is projector. And the organization unit, I will put it inside the Techi check resources. More option, the mailbox database DB01. There is no policy associated right now, so I will click on save. And if we go to the properties, we have almost same kind of properties with this projector mailbox as well. That booking request, accept or decline automatically, or select the delegate. Same way the booking option, contact information, email address, mail tips and mailbox delegation. Let me click on save. And let's go to the mailbox, that is Clark. If I go to the people here, and if I search the directory, you can see the projector here. I can select this and I can click on schedule a meeting. The meeting is PPT update new, and instead of Friday I am using it as a Saturday 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. and I will add the attendees as a Kathy, and let me send it. It says projector has accepted this event, and if I go to the Kathy, here you can see that mail, and if I say accept and send the response now, Clark will receive the message accepted from the Kathy. Kathy has accepted this event. So this is how you can include the equipment and the room mailbox in your calendar event. So let's meet in a next video to proceed further.